War Chief McCall here again. And today I need to talk to you about experience. See, I've completed over 300 direct actions before I found a better way. And so I just want to remind you about the natural world. Animals are concerned with experience. Elk, wolves, if you go to Africa, lions are concerned about experienced leadership. It seems that human beings are currently the only ones that are not concerned about that. And y'all keep trying to reinvent the wheel and all of that to the dismay of the masses. So you just got to realize for what it's worth that people like me are the veterans, right? So we told you about everything that was coming down the pipe from Baby Bush era. We told you about them slaughter bots. We told you about these unmanned prison camps that are ready to go for your silly little behind, because you can't follow orders or respect people that have more experience than you. So chances are you probably won't be equipped to deal with a lot of these things if you keep kind of denying the most qualified leadership.